Hey, everybody. The markets are not looking great right now. BTC testing lows. Solana is in big trouble. There's a few things we're going to look at right now. There's a huge unlock that's happening in the next 17 hours, which will unlock a ton of Solana, which will probably push the price further. We're going to see panic. We're going to see a ton of Solana hit markets. About 50 million Solana is deactivating from their stake in about 16 hours and a half. So we're probably going to see a lot of manipulation, super volatile for Solana. And let's get into it. So Solana, if you don't know, you need to go watch my video yesterday. And also, if you've just been on Twitter, if you're living under a rock, you're not like aware that FTX is insolvent. They have stopped withdrawals, and this is going to cause a lot of implications. So let's go into why I'm reviewing Solana, and of course, FTT is getting smoked as well. The whole Twitter timeline, like you can see, Binance reportedly unlikely to move forward with FTX acquisition following review of finances. Galaxy Digital reveals exposure of 76 million of cash and digital assets to FTX. 47 million is currently in the withdrawal process. So it's very messy right now. Probably one of the craziest crypto times that I've seen since 2017. So Alameda, this is important here. Sol is Alamada's second largest holding, and it also holds significant amounts of Sol ecosystem tokens like MAPS and Oxy. So if Binance takes over FTX, are they going to bail out Alameda, or are they going to have to sell all their assets to try and pay back investors? It's going to be very tricky over the next few days. There's a ton of uncertainty. So CoinDesk previously reported that a copy of Alameda's balance sheet shows the firm held 292 million of unlocked tokens and 863 million of locked tokens and 41 million of Sol collateral. So is the Sol we're seeing right here that's going to be deactivated? It's close to $1 billion worth. Is it going to be dumped? And this is not only for Alameda, this is everybody that had their Sol staked. So we might see a ton of fear and a ton of panic and more dumping. So in the last week, most of this was in the last few days, we're seeing a 50% drop of Sol. So $32 was the open this week, and we're sitting at $16. We're going to take a look at some important levels for Solana, and if you are just a beginner trader, I would highly recommend not shorting, not longing, and this is not the place to be buying Sol just to get a better price for the next bull run, or if you think this is a great trade so you can hold it for the next bull run. I don't think that's the move here. This token could go to zero. The whole ecosystem, in my opinion, Solana has been garbage. I tried to use it, I tried to like it, and it just it wasn't it for me, man. I'll pay the gas fees on Ethereum. So this is a major support that I'm looking. Support and resistance right here. One that I'm seeing, of course, right here, if I can get the other wick right here as well. So $25. I do not think that it's breaking above. If for any reason Solana does get to the 25 range, I'm going to be looking for shorts there. And keep in mind that Alameda, they ran FTX, they're a huge trading desk. They will probably manipulate this. If they have a ton, $800 million, they'll probably push the price up, maybe even past this. It's hard to say, and they'll probably start dumping, and it's going to be very volatile. It may wipe out traders on both sides. You might literally get these huge wicks going to the upside and to the downside, and then ultimately dump from there. So I would be very careful. I will be trying to find a short here. This is something that I think $26, $25 for sure won't reach. I'll be looking for a breakdown. The coins are unlocking in 16 hours. And if we take a look at previous support, I think $5, just under $4 is our target. Honestly, this coin could fail. This is not financial advice, but I don't think Binance is going to prop up FTT and or Solana when they have BNB. They're gonna, if they do take over FTX, they have no reason to build, to pour in liquidity or even resources in the Solana ecosystem when there are better networks, when there's better technology. In my opinion, I don't see it. And when this fell 50%, when I was watching Luna, I thought it already fell 50% in a day, or Luna was just even crazier. I'm not going to short this. And it just kept going to zero. If you shorted it, you made a lot of money. I do think that the initial move of this and FTT, I mean, if you shorted FTT here, you made a killing. It was down 75% in one day and then 26% as of today. So these moves, like, I wouldn't just jump into shorts. There's still a lot of liquidity for these specific coins that are going to be coming onto the markets. So you need to really watch out. FTT will review after, but Solana, I am looking for a small bounce. If we can reach to the 25s, I'll be looking to short this, hopefully back into the 15 area, and then maybe all the way down to 5. Like, we've seen these coins implode, and they crash so quick, faster than they've pumped. And definitely want to be here for the ride. There's a lot of opportunities. Crypto's just been wild, man. Like, if you dodged Luna, if you've dodged like the collapse of rug pulls and scams, and now you FTX, man, like, you can't expect this. You would never expect this to happen. So let me know your thoughts on what your moves are. Stay safe, man. Don't leave your crypto on exchanges. It's very important. Get them on hardware wallets. Get it on wallets where you own the private keys. Don't leave all your coins on exchanges. Have small bits where you can trade. Go trade on decentralized exchanges. There are a lot of ways to secure your wealth, your coins. So if you have any questions, post them below. A ton of Solana is unlocking soon. Watch out. Solana, FTT, even BTC and Ethereum. Like, BTC, we got pushed back into the lows. Ethereum was making its way into the 1700s, but we got rejected hard as well. FTT, it's getting smoked. I think it'll go to $0. I'm looking for a bounce. I'm waiting for more information until I can get into like a nice short. I'll be using heavy, tight stop losses, as you never know what happens here. It's heavily manipulated, very volatile, so watch out. Make some money. If you have any questions, post them below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.